Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 26th November 2025. The Union Cabinet has approved a Rs 7,280 crore incentive scheme to boost domestic manufacturing of rare earth magnets and cut India's reliance on imports, especially from China. Valid for 7 years, the scheme aims to create capacity for nearly 6,000 tons of magnets used in EVs, electronics, wind turbines, and defense. French aerospace major Safran is committed to establishing a Rafale engine final assembly line in India if the Indian Air Force places further orders. The company also inaugurated a new maintenance, repair and overhaul or MRO facility for LEAP engines in Hyderabad, signaling a significant increase in its investment and spending in India. India's aircraft MRO market is expected to reach $4 billion by 2031, Civil Aviation Minister K. Rammohan Naidu said at the launch of Safran's upcoming MRO facility. He said domestic MRO work could save $15 billion in foreign exchange, lower airline costs, and benefit passengers. Ola Electric Mobility Limited's blockbuster initial stock offering last year had investors clamoring to buy over 4 times the number of shares publicly available. Now it's struggling to find backers despite a new bet on home battery storage. Beset with shrinking market share, relentless cash burn, and a nearly 52% plunge in share price this year, the SoftBank Group Corp-backed electric scooter maker has been turned down by multiple financiers in recent months. Investors are refusing at joining the company's new 15 billion rupee or $168 million fundraising plan, given the Indian EV maker's deteriorating sales and financial health. Lenders have also shied away from a 17 billion rupee debt raise plan that was approved by the company board in May. Computer and printer maker HP announced Tuesday a sweeping restructuring plan that will eliminate about 10% of its workforce globally as the company pivots towards artificial intelligence to boost efficiency. HP CEO Enrique Lores told the Wall Street Journal that the company plans to raise the prices of its computers and work with new suppliers to help offset the higher costs of AI computing. Digital Connection, a joint venture between Brookfield, Reliance Industries and US-based Digital Reality, on Wednesday said it will invest $11 billion or about Rs 98,000 crore by 2030 to build 1 gigawatt data centers in Andhra Pradesh. The AI-native purpose-built data centers will be spread over 400 acres in Visakhapatnam. This is the second major investment in the country, which follows Google's announcement made last month to invest $15 billion in Andhra Pradesh for building an artificial intelligence hub comprising data centers as well in Visakhapatnam. Google's AI Futures Fund and Axel Atoms are launching a program to accelerate AI innovation in India, opening applications for new cohort that will begin in February 2026 and target pre-seed startups working at the earliest stage of product development. The joint Axel Atoms and AI Futures Fund program will give selected founders early use of Google DeepMind models such as Gemini for reasoning tasks, Imagine for image generation, and VO for video creation. The collaboration is part of a wider effort to strengthen India's engineering and entrepreneurial ecosystem. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.